This is how you color code your sources in Streamlabs OBS. This is gonna look a bit trippy, but anyway. So you'll see I already have my sources color coded. So for example, I have pink for my VTubing stuff, gray for my text stuff, blue for all my overlays, red for my mic, and for my games I have the blue. So now it is very simple. All you're gonna wanna do is back click on the source that you wanna color, and you go to set color and you choose a color that you wanna set your source as. Trust me, this does make quite the difference when you're trying to search for a certain source. For example, overlays, you know they are blue, and of course it just makes it look nice and professional. Make sure you hit the sub button for more tips and tricks.